So we're at number 3/7 Morning Close. As you can see, this is the end unit. And this is the fenced off portion here. So whilst this is body corporate land, no one else comes through here, and there is a gate. I'll show you from the other side as well. So in front of you, in front of the unit, is just foliage, and that's the path we came down. Crim-safe screen doors, which is really great. Come inside. Now, there are baby gates up, which won't be here, but they have 2 3-kilo dogs. So downstairs bathroom, walk-in shower. See the condition of the floors. Take the sunnies off. Kitchen. This is the pantry. Good sized pantry for a 2-bedder. Dishwasher, oven, cooktop, room for the microwave, screen door. Round to my left is the downstairs bedroom. Aircon, crim-safe louvers. The aircon's on in here today, but a nice outdoor aspect. It has got blinds, which is good. Shelving, it's pretty neat and tidy. And we're selling fully furnished. So, if I keep going this way, got being a corner one, you've got the louver windows here to give you the extra light. So since the photos were taken, the table was that way. Now it's this way. It gives you a different perspective, but you can see this is a huge 8-seater table, and there's still ample room all the way around. Outdoor, private, quiet, nice and tropical. And then I'm just going to take you through. So this owner has put all the retaining wall in to plant things so that you could get more privacy along there if you planted vegetation out there and some shade as well. You could put a shade sail up, and that's where I was standing earlier, so there is a gate there. So this is a great bit of extra space and a garden shed. So ideal for people who have got pets or who just want a bit more gardening space. You could turn it back into lawn. It used to be lawn. Nice big island. And again, all the gates will be gone, which is just as well because I can't work them. Oh, there you go. I would never be able to work them. This is the floor, window, that's that gate where we were at. That's the garden shed. You can see it's all in really good nick. Up on the landing. Now this door is the laundry. Not sure what that is, but the laundry sink is behind there. washing machine dryer. Then you've got linen here. Through to the main bedroom. Main bathroom. Wardrobe. Just try. Okay, I'm having some difficulty there. Clearly won't be doing that. That's pretty much it in a nutshell.